Hey guys, welcome. This is our review video for Chapter 3. Let's begin. Taking a look at this, we can set up a couple equations. I forgot to write that these were parallel. If these were not parallel, I cannot do any of what I'm about to do. First thing we see that these two are vertical angles. So 56 is equal to x plus 4. So that's one equation we can set up. And then we also see that 56 and this 3y plus 2 are corresponding angles. So we can also set these two equal to each other as well. So we can go ahead and solve these real quick. This one's pretty simple, just subtract 4. And we get 52 equals x. And this one here, we're going to subtract the 2, and we get 54 equals 3y, divide by 3, and y equals 18. So we definitely need to be able to recognize all of our special angle relationships and if they're congruent or add to 180 and the like. Alright, find the slope between 2 points. Again, the major thing that we have to know is our slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Make sure we always label our points. We want to be very diligent and not make a mistake on our test. So let's go ahead and plug this in. We get y2, which is 2, minus y1, which is 3, over x2, which is a negative 8, minus x1, which is a negative 5. Okay, two negatives make a positive, so we can turn those into positive, but this has become a negative 1 on top, and this is a negative 3. Two negatives turn out to be just a positive 1/3. Okay. Again, nice and easy, slow. We don't want to go ahead and make a mistake. We just want to make sure that we get our answers right. If we need to, we can always use a calculator. Alright, we want to go perpendicular to this equation and through this point. So our slope is found right here. And if we do perpendicular, we have to do opposite reciprocal. So the slope that we want to use is actually going to be 1 over 10. And then we have our point, x1, y1. Given this, we're going to use the equation, point slope, which is another thing that we have to know for the test. So we want to make sure that we study that. And then all we have to do is go ahead and plug in our answer. So we're going to get y minus y1, which is 5, equals the slope, which is 1 over 10. And then we got x minus a negative 2. Two negatives make a positive, so I'll rewrite it one last time. And if it says write an equation, I didn't write that here, but if it says write an equation, we can just leave it like this. This is fully in an equation mode. Alright. This is our last problem we're going to look at. This is our triangle exterior angles theorem. So this guy plus this guy should equal that guy right there. So that's the equation we want to set up. The two remote interior should add up to sum up to equal the exterior angle. It's on the outside. So we can go ahead and subtract the 80 from this, and x would then equal, what is that, 55 degrees. Okay, and if x is 55 degrees, then we know that 55 and y are going to add to 180, so they're a linear pair. Let me rewrite that, that looks a little messy. And so we got 55 plus y should equal 180. And we can literally subtract 55 from both sides. And I believe that's 125. I have my calculator. I'm going to double check. I don't want to make a mistake. Yeah. So we get y equals 125. Alright guys, that was just a basic little sample. We're going to get a study guide that will help us more with this. I might make another review video. But I just wanted a short, quick review video covering slope, covering some exterior angles theorem, covering a lot of our other theorems. So hopefully this helps, and we'll see you guys soon.